First wash in 3 years. Oh my goodness. Yes, my car is on the trailer. We had to put it up just now because something is going on with my fan or fan relay harness, because the fan turns on and off, and I got the temperature up to like 232, and that's super hot for a B series. But the fan's working now. It's dropping down, and we're just moving it, let it cooling off on the trailer. So when we get inside, we'll drop it off. But today it's gonna be an awesome day, man. Honda Meet 2026. We have 10 cars in our lineup. We're about to roll up right now. Odin, sugarcane.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna love it.
What's
good? What's going on, brother? Dana.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Likewise. Check us out. Kohan's Sugarcane Kitchen. Shout out to the homie Ian. He just plugged me in with a hat right now that actually fits big-headed people. So now I'm not gonna get cooked today, so he's also hooking me up with a sugarcane drink as well too. They got a lot of flavors, man. Check this out. Check this out.
I guess I'll do
oh, we gonna get some nice drink today. It's not too hot. I mean, it's still a little warm out, but it's breezy as well. So this is definitely gonna help us out a lot. Awesome to see this vendor out here at the Honda Meet today. I'm probably gonna go with, like, I don't know, dragon fruit sounds kind of. I don't know. I kind of like pineapple too. I'm gonna lie. How'd you do pineapple? Pineapple's cool. Yeah.
I guess pineapple it is, huh?
Yeah, pineapple it is. I appreciate you guys for real. You got Sticky Dojo.
Progress is better than no progress, bro. That's
Progress is better than no progress. You already know.
Respect it, man. I wasn't sure if that was a real person. I saw too far.
Sorry, it's a little scribbly, but yeah, that was a little low for me. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yo, man.
That's sick, brother.
Is it okay if I get a picture with you real quick?
Hell yeah, bro. We out here.
Yeah, here. Take this. Take this. Oh, bro, thank you.
Or would it?
Here, Christian.
I probably was gonna park up with you. Hey, what just happened?
So Busy Moto came over here, seen the car, and was like, "This is my old car." They called me, and he put his signature on the wagon. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I've been showing you guys Dwayne's car, the wagon, for a while. The previous build to this car was Busy Moto, and he actually has a new one, the K Series Turbo all-wheel drive, that he's actually giving away. He came over here and he saw the car. He went over the whole car and he was like, "Yo, this is my old car." Let me see that photo. You got a photo or anything of it? Yeah, so he came through right there, Busy Moto, and he signed it on top of that. Look at that. Shout out to Busy Moto, man.
Another $2,000.
Yo, that's bad, man. I was hoping to be here for that interaction, but you know, we get caught up with everybody here, and I'm always here to hang out with the people, but that's a blessing right there. All right, let's anywhere?
Anywhere, my man.
I'll do right on the top. Your guys' support for real, man. You always show me love every time I'm out here, man. You know what I mean?
Man,
That's what keeps me rolling here.
I appreciate what you do for the Hondas, you know?
Slime balls.
Ball slime. CRX dude in the building, boy. Look at this.
Eligible for passenger car tires up to 18.
Hey, not even that. Look at this. Look at this. My boy right here. Rest in peace, Carlos, man. Hey, shout out to Eugene for being out here today, bro. Good to see you, bro. That's good. Huh? Oh shit! I appreciate that. What's going on?
Say, yeah.
Hey.
I'm subscribed to like 5 channels. You're one of them, big
I
dog.
appreciate that, man. Thank you so much, dude. That's awesome. Huh? God damn. What's good, bro? Yeah, it's been a cool minute. I think
I got a bunch of shit in my hand.
1, 2, 3.
that's valid though. That's valid.
Yeah. Appreciate it. The homie's gonna be watching you for years.
I got stickers and shirts and shit. If you guys,
You got stickers where?
we're all going there right now, bro.
Follow us.
I got like 1,000 stickers. I got
Damn, we on the way.
Guys, you guys are showing me so much love right now. Look at this crowd behind me. That's you guys show me so much love out here. This whole crowd of people behind me right there, all looking for merch. It's crazy. Hopefully I have enough to accommodate everybody. This is insane. You guys want to take a picture?
Right here or over there? Or what?
Over there. Okay. In the front, real quick, guys.
Boom.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if you wanted to trade one of ours.
Yeah, that's our little brand we got going on.
Man, I thought that was like got rice fucking person.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
He drew it up.
I drew it up.
They're all the same different colors, right?
Yeah, I'll lay it out for you.
Well, the black one has 2 different colors in it. It has a
I
silver
like black
one.
stickers because it's there, but it's not there.
Yeah,
It has a little bit of like a little like if you shine a light on it, it has
Yeah.
a little glitter to it.
Yeah. Shit, that one's pretty down from the Yeah, but you have an IG.
Yeah,
I still
I'll probably do that.
Yeah. I tried to spend more, man. So this is you.
Yeah, the blueberry, the red one, and
Yep.
one size, extra large.
This is all the sticker I got right here. All of it. So,
he doesn't have like
shirt,
a bumper
shirt,
to put the handle on the
shirt.
What?
No shirt. Honda 3 and that. Yeah, bro. Take it easy.
Yo, Static.
We've had it, bro.
Long time viewer, man.
Yeah, appreciate that, man.
Freaking, I have a picture of us back at, I think it's Irwindale.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's when you had the wagon.
Still got it. That wagon was here last year.
Oh, yeah, it was here last year.
Yeah, it was here last year, and I didn't want to bring it again this year, so I brought this car.
Yeah.
What the heck is this guy doing, man? He's like driving in a circle like 20,000 times. What is he doing? Steven, what are you doing? Come on, Steven. Gosh. Just playing, man. That's the homie Steven. He didn't bring out his other wagon today, but this one he brought out, just as bad, bro. Oh my God. You know what I need to do is I need to go walk around because the show's already ended and all the cars started taking off. Still a lot of cars because today 800 plus cars, 50 plus vendors, and I was so tied up with all of you guys. You guys know I appreciate y'all support for real. Like, you guys showed me so much love today out here at the Honda Meet. I'm gonna walk around and kind of show you some of the cars that are still here because I didn't walk around, and some of the vendors if they're still here too, because I didn't really walk over there either. But gotta show some love to this coupe right here. I believe it was out here last year as well too when we were parked over there. And this gentleman is always in the comment section leaving a comment, always leaving a thumbs up, always buying merch, and he really want to support the H merch, which, you know, we'll hit the line soon. We got some H merchandises in the works, but this car looks freaking awesome, man. I'm gonna go check out some of the whips out here. That CRX has how many miles on it?
85,000.
85,000.
Looks AC.
It looks like an 88, 89 blade silver, okay, CRX, and she inherited from her father that passed away, and she's carrying on the legacy, man. I didn't get to check out the EF road that Tim set up again because everybody's all gone already, but I mean, I'm seeing it leave, guys. Look at this thing. It looks super stock on the outside with a B swap. Man, look at that Civic EG coupe, and then Tegra on some fat old tires and the intercooler. Carbon Kevlar, mirrors, fenders, steering wheel, gas cap. hatch spoiler. B series turbo on spoons. What's happening, bro? If you guys know whose car this is, leave a comment down below. I did show him earlier. He hooked it up with this hat right here. Saw these stack of cars from afar. Had to come check it out. Super clean cars. Ooh. Okay. Saw this outside in the road earlier. Damn. God damn. A little late to the party, but rather late than never. Woo. Okay. Glad all these cars are still here. Gotta check it out. You guys know I got a double take on the EFs. Custom valve cover. Check that out. H22 H2B. Oh, okay. I can respect seeing these cars out here. Not a lot of them on the road still. You guys saw Tazzy's wagon, right? So this is Busy Moto. He built that wagon originally, and this is version 2 of that car, but this is K Turbo. And if you guys didn't know, this car is being given away, so you guys can enter to win this car. I think it makes like 700 plus K series turbo. Yeah, be sure to enter. JDI is out here. They got this. I seen this van build that they had floating around on YouTube, and it's crazy to see it out here right now. You guys are surprised to see a K20C 1 Type R in this van, bro. I'd definitely drive this thing for sure. You guys might have remembered this car from Bakersfield, I think it was, trying to make a pass. I believe they didn't have the CO2 on for the wastegate, but I'll tell you what, this thing is gnarly. Yeah, CO2 in the back right there. Badass. Beautiful on the MF10s. Got the homie Nicky out here. Downstars out here was good. I finally had some time to film, man.
Big dog, dude.
What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
How you been? I'm chilling, bro. I'm cooked, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, but we out here though, you know what I mean?
Hey, did you bring your skateboard?
No. That's what it was? We were sitting here trying to figure out why there was a big ass bar on top of your shock towers.
Fucking right there, bro.
Yo, so I came by here earlier to look at this, and we were kind of figuring out why there was a big ass strip bar on here. And this is for people with skateboards, so it's pretty much a rail.
It's a skate rail.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Has anybody tried?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I
Damn.
Bro, dude.
Damn.
If they hit my fender,
That'd be insane if somebody did.
I know, bro.
Yeah, Frank's out
my
here,
goal.
man, with his hatch. That's sick, man. Stop by the Wrestle Tuner booth real quick while they're still out here, but Ben and them, they went to go get the vehicle. I want to check out some of these cars before everybody take off, just to get some vehicles for you guys, man. There was so much badass cars here, and I was just so tired with everybody, but I'm truly blessed at the end of the day. You know, whether I looked at the cars or not, I'm here for the people, and you guys, again, showed me so much love out here. Apex is out here. Big Mike's car. I don't know about the FL5s, man. I'm telling you guys, it's starting to grow on me. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy. You got Ray's Engineering out here. They had an aisle for like the drag racers, man, and I didn't catch any of those. I believe they're all over here, and now they're all gone. I've seen this YouTube channel, pretty badass. J Series all-wheel drive turbo. Look at this, dude. J Series all-wheel drive turbo. I believe this is the J to K. Yeah, it has a plate right there in the middle. A lot of this car, I believe, has been R&D'd with S1 built, and this thing is bad. I've been watching this thing on YouTube, but it's crazy to see it in person, to be honest. Wheels are badass. 5 lug too. Need that for my sedan. Meet Lake Elsinore 2026 was one for the books. I haven't even added it to my page, bro. Hey, what is this right here? What is this right here? Ooh, yo, we finna try this in a minute. I'm gonna kill this. We're gonna try that. Got a lot of things going on. Oh, you already made one? Dang. Nah, I'm gonna grab it right now. I'm trying everything. Sheesh, Tazzy on the grill, man. Cooking a whole storm out here, man. Shit, shout out to Milwaukee for that light, though. My brother-in-law, man, super duper clutch. I brought that because I knew it was gonna break down on the side of the road. Fortunately, I haven't yet. Knock on wood. I'm not gonna knock on wood because there ain't no wood out here. But it is kind of dark over here, though. But man, everybody's
make sure if you guys get a chicken, cut them in half.
Yeah, make sure you do that. All right?
Make sure you guys cook the chicken in half.
The homie Steven wanted to experience right-hand drive, so you know, let him test it out real quick. Sheesh. Yes, I know, guys, my tail light's out.